Hello everyone, Maxilimite here. Thank you for joining me today for the unboxing and full review of the HP OMEN Desktop. As you can see right in the box, we will find the keyboard and the mouse and a little tools. As you can see, this PC is really beautiful. We have a glass panel which allows us to see through the computer, especially in the night. It's really amazing. At the back of this PC, we can find some ports. For instance, we have a 6 USB port, 4 3.0 and 2 2.0. We also have 2 more USB ports in the front, which are 3.0. And with a single push button, we can access the inside of the computer. And as you see inside, all this computer is being managed by Intel Core i7 8700K base clock at 4.2, can be overclocked at 4.5. We also find a 3TB hard drive disk, 512GB SSD drive, 32GB of RAM, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 graphic card. So as you can see inside the PC, we have red lighting. Unfortunately, there's no way for us to either change color or turn it off. I will actually really prefer HP to give us the option to change the color or at least turn it off. But it looks like we are stuck with the red. HP did a good job with the cable management on this PC. And as you can see, we also have a water cooling system on this PC, and which makes the computer very quiet and very efficient. And with the 512GB SSD drive, you see your Windows load up so fast. And it's also very easy to add and remove components. For instance, this to drive, you can put some hard disk in it and then push it back in, and then it's good to go. Very simple here. Thank you so much for watching this quick video of unboxing and full review of the HP OMEN.